Hello again, my friends. Today we're going to be looking on making the engine nacelles, the undercarriage, the landing gear covers, spinner, and prop assembly. Let's begin. So, as usual, with any other build, I start with the framework. Carefully cutting out all the frameworks and using super glue to bond them quickly in place. To get the perfect curvature, I distressed the curve first by using my paintbrush handle to roll the sections before joining individual segments. I work with mainly two sets of tweezers. One, which is bird beak, I call it, is to precisely lock down any points I need to be held quickly and tightly. Then I use a flat edge one to really smoothen out joints. Once assembled, we then put in our framework to hold the shape in place and lock that framework in using our super glue. We stress some of the panels so that it will take the shape and the curve properly when we join the wing. And of course, we do a test fit, so we make sure that everything is aligned and look pretty much decent when it comes to final gluing in position. We now paint the edges and do general touch up of the model joints to add a little more realism to our model. Now this part seems a bit tedious, but I can guarantee you, if you follow this, it will add so much to the look of the model undercarriage. We now adjust and fit into place, held in position with super glue. Now for the spinner assembly, remember we are converting the E2 by Marek to a G2, so the hollow nose of the spinner is not on the G2 series. It is fully enclosed, just like on the BF109 F series and G series, where the cannon is omitted. So it is going to be a smooth nose. And yes, this is pretty much straightforward. Well, I hope you enjoyed what you have seen so far. I hope you would please consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot to me as I desire to make this channel grow and I provide so much more models, and maybe you learn a thing or two that could help you build your model. So, until then, my fellow modelers, take care, good luck, and as they say in my country, one love.